notable example of communal harmony from Udupi, two Muslim women have stepped forward seeking justice for a poor Hindu widow who has been struggling for decades to gain possession of land allotted to her by the government. The incident took place during the visit of Karnataka District in charge Minister Laxmi Hebbalkar to Udupi. When the two women met her near the guest house and submitted a plea on behalf of Girija Shettigar, an elderly widow from Badakabettu village in Udupi Taluk. According to the petition, Girija Shettigar was allotted 5 cents of land in the year 1989 under a government housing scheme designed for landless families. Although she was issued a valid title deed, she has been unable to take possession of the land as the forest department allegedly objected, claiming that the land falls under a protected forest area. Due to poverty and lack of support, Girija has been unable to pursue a prolonged legal battle. As a result, she has continued to live in a rented house and sustain herself by working as a daily wage laborer. Over the years, her neighbors, including family members of Salahuddin, have reportedly taken her to several government offices in an attempt to secure her rights, but these efforts have not yielded results. The petitioners also informed the minister that several donors were willing to construct a house for Girija if the land issue was resolved. However, despite holding legal documents, she has remained deprived of her rightful property due to official hurdles. While submitting the appeal, the Muslim women reportedly told the minister that we do not want anything for ourselves. Please help that poor women. Moved by the gesture, Minister Laxmi Hebbalkar described the incident as a reflection of communal harmony in the country, stating, "This is our India. Muslim women are shedding tears seeking justice for a poor Hindu women. BJP leaders in Udupi should learn from them." The minister further assured that she would instruct the deputy commissioner to look into the matter and take necessary steps to ensure that possession of the land is facilitated for the beneficiary. So viewers, do you think acts of unity and support like this can help strengthen communal harmony in our society? Let us know in the comment section for more such updates. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.